blue avocado, BMW, GDiapers, Medley, Bioland, Stella McCartney, Fjllrven, Watkins, Amy's Kitchen, Bronner's, New Belgium Brewing Company, The Body Shop, Ray, Applegate Farms, Bob's Red Mill, Toyota, Sierra Nevada Brewing Company, Seventh Generation Inc., Clif Bar Company, Method, Kashi, Tom's, Patagonia Inc., Tom's of Maine, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, Old Foods Market, Annie's Homegrown, Tesla Motors.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.